Hey, what's up, everybody? We're going live again tonight. Gonna open up a few boxes. Got an Orbeetle here. I'm gonna crack this open right now. Just get the packs ready.
Hey, everyone.
Eileen says hello. I'm just destroying this Orbeetle box here. Get that out there. Hey, what's up, the Pokemon and Shrek's box? What's going on? How you guys doing tonight? We're gonna be opening up some packs.
Hello, everybody. Thank you.
Well, let's get it started early for you guys, and first code for anybody who wants it. There you guys go. Let's get in our Orbeetle cards out here. Actually, haven't opened up one of these boxes yet. We're gonna be cracking up some boxes, Shrek's box. We got this Orbeetle box, and we've got some Champions Path. Getting these packs all out so that we can open them all up for you guys. Oh, whoa. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Haven't opened up one of these Orbeetle boxes yet. We've got 2 Vivid Voltage, a Burning Shadows, and a Darkness Ablaze. Alright, guys, I guess we can do some Charizard hunting today, too. Rush for Tacos, how's it going? Thank you for joining up, everybody. Really appreciate it. Alright. We'll open up this other box here. Champions Path Hatterene box, because we gotta get some more Champions Path packs out here. Hopefully everybody is having a good night tonight, Friday night. Anything exciting going on tonight? Yeah, Shrek's box, I thought that was going to be all Vivid Voltage as well coming out of that Orbeetle box. I was quite surprised to see that, so looks like we got some Burning Shadows to dig into. That's alright. Hey, Blastoise93, there's the Brolum himself. How's it going on? Got enough of these Hatterene cards now, that's for sure. Some more Champions Path. Alright, so we got a little bit here for you guys. Champions Path. I thought these were all going to be Vivid Voltage, so now we got 6 Vivid Voltage. There are 2 random Darkness Ablaze and Burning Shadows packs. Alright, well, I think without further ado, Eileen can crack into whatever. Well, actually, you know what do you think we should do here first? Vivid Voltage and lean into Champions Path?
Yeah, I think so. And we're doing pretty good, Blastoise. We're just taking it easy. Little guy just went down to bed, so.
She's being modest. We're actually all a little bit under the weather here. Every single one of us, but it's okay because...
Stay hokey positive.
Yeah, it's not going to stop us from cracking any packs with you guys. That is for sure.
And if anyone feels up to it, just sharing live and getting us out there.
Oh, so look at this.
Nice.
I like
that.
I got these Black Label grading sleeves. We're going to try them out if we get any good pulls. See what they're like. Haven't really tried them yet, but it says there for BGS, SGC, and PSA submissions. So
thanks so much, Blastoise. And yeah, no, we're hoping these 2 random packs get some good pulls.
Yeah, you know what? Why don't we just start off with those then? Get them out of the way.
Let's do it.
What do you want? Burning Shadows or Darkness Ablaze?
Oh man, these are pretty cool. Wasn't expecting these guys. This guy's sweet looking.
Yeah, she has a chance at the Rainbow Zard there, and Eileen is her mouth is actually doing a lot better.
Yeah, it's all healed up pretty well. Eating solid foods.
Thanks, Blastoise, for remembering that, buddy.
Thank you so much.
Hey, why don't you crack yours there? Yeah, I think Sizzlepede here is gonna have something. Charizard hunt for each one of those, and Charizard hunting in the Champions Path packs here. So we can do some Charizard hunting tonight for sure. And that Chunky Chew. Everybody's on the hunt for that Chunky Chew. It's like I'm more interested in the Amazing Rares.
Okay.
Code card for anybody that wants it.
Snatch up them codes. 4? Yeah.
Yep, 4
Okay.
cards.
Alright.
Got that metal energy.
No. Seadra. Oh, Charmeleon. I love that artwork on. Oh, no matter focus. Okay.
Focus up there. There we go.
I like that artwork a lot. You can see it.
Whirlipede.
Dupitter.
Cutie Fly.
Cufla.
Riolu. That's a Lowland Grimer. Noibat. Reverse Hollow.
Oddish.
And a Zoomeril.
Okay. Reverse Hollow Oddish, though.
No Rainbow Zard. Hey, Ball Card Guy. Hi. How's it going? Thanks for joining up. Morgan Mack, thank you for joining up. Appreciate you guys joining up with us tonight. Darkness Ablaze.
Thank you guys so much.
I meant to ask, how are the claws on that first pack?
Not bad.
They weren't bad? Alright, because we have the scissors here just in case. That means claws can't dig into the packs as well. There's a code card for you guys. Anybody who's taking those? Hope you guys got the good luck. We got a Darkness Energy. Clang. Gothorita. Piers. Torchic. Aaron. Aaron. Rookity. Wishy Washy. Pansage. A reverse hollow Fletchling. And a non-hollow Swanna.
Ooh.
Got a lot of those.
Those are today, guys. Those are today.
Alright, we're going Chunky Chew hunting now. As per always, we're going to let Eileen sort the packs so we get 3 each.
Yay, I love the 2. So these guys.
You're going to go with those 3 right there? Alright, that's perfect. I'm fine with that.
Alright.
We like to do those mini pack battles here.
Okay.
The silly ass name, yeah. all of the names go all over the place sometimes. But that's how Pokemon is, right? Pronunciation is whatever we make of it. There's that code.
Ooh.
That's psychic.
That's the Mystic for some reason.
Shuckle.
Shovel.
Nuzleaf.
Nuzleaf. Okay, guy. Memory Capsule. Joltik. Weedle. Taillow. Sandile. Oshawott. Okay, Oshawott. Reverse Hollow Clefable. And
Boratress. Boratress. So far, 3 packs deep. No big hits yet.
not quite.
That's exactly what I was going.
Brown.
You know what? It's funny that you caught that because I totally forgot that I had even said that there, and that's amazing.
Okay. Cracking me up, Blastoise.
There's that code, and there it isn't. Take a sip of the Loyal Zard mug here for good luck. Boom. Fighting energy. We need that. Focus. Girafarig. Electric. Delmise. Pineco. Clefairy. Dynamo. Milkray. Galarian Meowth. A reverse holo Zekrom, which is awesome. Not bad at all. And an Alcremie, non-holo.
All those non-holo hits at the end.
It's like I know it's not the biggest hit in the world, but I love a Zekrom.
Yeah.
So.
It is a pretty cool cut, but I would like to see a
It's
Stoice on there too. That would be pretty cool.
It's a reverse holo rare, so it's all right. Gunning Gallade. Hey, buddy, how you doing tonight? Yeah, it would be cooler if it was a Stoice mug.
Or
but
had a few different guys on there.
You know what's funny is I wish that we could get one of the Blastoise and have our Loyal Zard mug. That'd be pretty cool. Gunning Gallade, you just cracked open that Blastoise GX box. That is cool. Any good pulls, buddy? There we go. Not even trying with the claws this time.
Not this time, guys.
Not this time.
Swipe that code card. Alright, guys.
Well, it's beer o'clock for Gunning Gallade, and you know what? That makes sense. It's Friday night, but I'm sorry for the brutal pulls, buddy. Promo is great, though.
Fire energy, guys. White on Stadium. Ooh, I like that a lot.
Zebstrika.
Ooh, I like that. Exadrill. Beldum. Blitzel. Milkery. Okay. Skidoo.
Hey, there's Trubbish.
Reverse holo Galarian Stunkfish. Okay. And a holographic.
Nice.
Duraludon. Okay.
Duraludon, whoever you guys want to put it out there. That's alright. I like that holo. That's alright. So obviously Eileen's in the lead with that. Get in my next pack here. I think we're going to have all the luck saved for our Champion's Path in the end, hopefully.
Yeah, little bit of brutal pulls, guys, but we're going to get there. We got this.
There we go.
All about that last pack anger.
All of that last pack anger. We got a metal energy. We got Galvantula, Swellow, League Staff, Drillbur, Claymation, Clefairy, Whalmer, Tynamo, Execute, a reverse holo Zebstrika, and Alcremie again. What the heck?
Alcremie.
Twice in a row for me.
Alright, guys. Got this chunky peak. I feel like there's some magic in here.
Maybe the Chunky Peak is in there.
Ooh, Chunky Peek's in the Chunky Peak.
Get that Chunky Chew.
Okay, you know what?
Not even gonna mess with
Ain't got
it.
no time for that. Nobody got time for that.
Thank you guys all for joining up with us tonight, though. We know it's all kind of spur of the moment around here. That Pika Chonk Blastoise, love it.
Chunka Pika. Metal.
Love it.
Electric. Kakuna with his tie.
Hakuna Matata.
Okay, what a wonderful phrase.
Yep. Loudred.
Mudbray, rolling around, being a Mudbray. Slugma. Whismer. Execute.
Those eggs are cute.
Woobat. Woo.
Oh,
Ooh, reverse hollow Woobat. Okay. Oh my
Ooh,
goodness.
Pikachu V.
Pikachu V. There we go.
second time pulling that now.
Yes.
Still a nice card.
Still looks wicked.
Focus.
Focus.
All right, there we go.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Mm-hmm. So cute, right?
Right on.
So cute.
Well, Eileen's definitely winning here.
Got that Pikachu V. Not the Chunky Peak. I'm dying to see that Chunky Pikachu.
Rainbow or regular? Right? Morgan Mac, decent pull.
He's a cute little bugger.
Ooh,
Yeah, that blue did pretty darn good.
this one's pretty tight, I must admit. I'm gonna have to pull Eileen's trick here and just snip the top.
Either way, I got time.
I usually don't do that. I like to struggle with it. Here we go. Boom, code card. It needs to focus so that people can get it. There it is. Boom. Dun 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 dun. Fire energy. Kakuna.
Good time.
Moo Cheese. Sableye. This is last pack Vivid Voltage magic.
Ooh, okay.
So we can pull that. Sableye. Aracuda.
I like a smile.
I like to smile. Nincada. Picky Peck. Puchena. Rockruff. Yes! Last pack Vivid Voltage magic, guys. We did it. We pulled
Woo!
an amazing rare Celebi.
Oh, very, very nice.
And it looks like we're opening up these card savers now and giving those a shot, right?
Yes.
And wait, is this a double pack magic? It is! Steelix V right behind it.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Woohoo!
Yes, guys. It seems whenever we do it live with you guys, we always get these amazing pulls. Jeff the Ref, look at that. Joining right up as we pull double pack magic. Woo! Guys, right on. I'm loving this. Here, let's get this into a sleeve. Amazing
Loving
rare
that artwork
Celebi.
on the Celebi. It's so cute.
And we'll check this out right now.
Obsessed
Yeah, we're
with
looking
the
pretty good with
watercolor
that.
Splashing. It's so good.
Yeah, we're doing pretty good here. Right. Double banger. Dun, dun, dun. Let's get this into the card saver there. Yeah, the card saver doesn't work too bad. They're like I said, they're not exactly the regular brand that everybody uses, called Black Labels or something, but look at that. All right, I'm happy with that. And actually, it looks like our little guy might have just woke up from our excitement. So, since I was in the last pack there, we might have to cut it off a little early, but I think that we're going to have to open up at least a few Champions Path here. We got to crack open some sort of Champions Path. Maybe he'll fall back asleep. These card savers, we actually picked them up off of a local shop there. They have a site. What's the website again? Deco Gaming. Deco Gaming. If you want to check them out, they have these sleeves there, and they're about, I think, $12.99 a pack for 50 count. So I think he's going to choose us a few packs here. How many you got there?
I'm just going to do 2.
You're going to do
And then
2?
I'll go take care of the little guy.
All right. Again, thank you guys for joining us tonight. This is This has been pretty sweet already, I must say. I'm happy with that. Hey, not a problem, Blastoise. Like, I was surprised to find anything around, to be honest. And, you know, that's just I thought it was a pretty good deal, so why not try them out, right? And they seem to work pretty well.
Got that leaf energy, guys.
Leaf energy.
Milo.
Turffield Stadium.
Beedrill. Sorry if I'm rushing through now. Little guy is crying. Really coolly. Sizzlipede. Purloin. Scraggy. Pokeball. Here's Reverse Hollow. And a Machamp Machamp Hollow. Cool. That's a good hit.
You're trying to pitch Rev on the pack opening clause.
Yes.
If you could get him to do it, that would be absolutely insane, Jeff. Yeah, do your other one right now?
Yeah, I'll get both mine out of the way here.
Eileen's going to open up both of her packs real quick here, and then I'm going to open up a few, and I'll end off the video solo today.
Yeah, he can always get like some cute little Pikachu stickers put on its big old claws. Get them all decked out.
Got a lot of those metal energies today.
BB. I gotta go get my BB. Absol. Rotom Bike. Hatina. Kakuna with a tie. Rockruff. Vulpix.
Hey, Premier Card Shop, thanks for joining up.
Ooh, a reverse hollow Vulpix. Okay. And a holographic Centiskorch.
There it is.
Oh.
That's all right. Now, Eileen's taking off for right now. She might be back. We don't know. She's undecided of whether or not she's going to bring little guy down here or not. We're going to see how he's acting right now. If he's not freaking out too much, then, you know, maybe include him in the end of the video here. I need to open up a few of these packs, though, so let's see. Let's choose these two to start. Hey, Gunning Glade, no problems, buddy. Thank you for joining us while you could. Hopefully you have a great rest of your night, and thanks for catching what you did. Glad you could catch this little guy right here, my amazing rare joy. That Obstagoon pack. Exactly, the Goon pack, Blastoise. That 4-card trick. Maybe I'll be the one to pull that fire today. That fire. Right, guys? Milo. Turffield Stadium. Beedrill. Full Heal. Purloin. Kakuna. Trubbish. Hatenna. A reverse holo Milo. And a Professor's Research holographic. We double up so much on these holos now out of Champion's Path that it's like we haven't even been sleeving them anymore. More or less just adding them to a binder page. When we get those good pulls, though, you know they get sleeved. Boom, ba-doom, boom. There we go. I think you guys can probably hear him up there. Maybe you can hear him. Can we get that in focus? Hopefully it's in focus enough for you guys to grab it. Premier Card Shop, right on. We pulled the Shiny Charizard V on one of our last live streams. Eileen actually pulled it. I can't say we did. Eileen did. She makes a point of that all the time. So congrats to you, buddy. That's amazing. And hopefully we can carry on through that luck today. Get that electric, lightning energy, Bidet, Kabu, Leopard, Galarian Lanoon, Carvana Nanana, Swablu, Sizzlepede, Weedle, a reverse Hollow Machamp. So let's not get a Hollow Machamp. We got a Hollow Galarian Obstagoon. We knew that we'd get something like that. Alright, guys. How about this? Because we can't open, I don't feel right about opening all these packs with Eileen. You know, it's not that we can't rob her of that. So why don't you guys choose which one? We got 4 to choose from. So left to right. Somebody pick my last pack for me, because we're gonna have to end off the video tonight. But I have really enjoyed you guys coming and joining us, and just the fact that we got some good pulls. Pick the turtle. Am I picking the turtle? I think I gotta go with Blastoise, and I gotta pick that turtle. That makes complete sense, right? Shout out to the man right there, Blastoise's cousin. He's gonna pull us something right here, right? As always, guys, we absolutely love having you join us. And we love opening these packs and just being able to have some good chats while we do so. Rainbow of some sort? Are you serious? I didn't see anything. I wasn't really paying attention. So if you're serious, whew. Okay, we got Leaf Energy, Leopard, hopefully, Suspicious Food Tin, Pokemon Center Lady. This is the last pack magic, guys. Can we do it? Can we do it? Pokeball, Weedle, Kakuna, Carvana Nanana, Potion, Altaria. Yeah, the delay. No, it's all good, man. Honestly, if we pulled something rainbow right now, I'd still give that to you. So, here we go. We've got a Lucario V. Well, Blastoise, you did it. You gave us our last pack magic, and I am really, really appreciative of that.
Listen, he's
That-
coming to say
That's amazing. What do you mean? What's going on here?
You got a little guy.
Oh, we've apparently got the little guy calmed down enough that Eileen's coming to bring him to say hello. Look at that. So was this our last pack magic? I don't know now. We've got to sleeve him up though. Still a banger. Heck yes it is, Jeff. I love a Lucario.
He's got his telescope to check out his cards.
There we go.
He's got his card reading magnifying glass.
Not looking too shabby. Well, now that Eileen's back, I gotta let her crack some more packs, so I guess that wasn't the last pack magic. I can definitely take little guy off her hands here. She's gonna come in and swoop the luck. You know it,
He's gotta
Blastoise.
say hello. Hi guys.
There's Gordon. Hello.
Guys.
Here, I'll give you guys a quick zoom over here. Eileen and Gordon.
Hi everybody.
The red cheeks because he's teething. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
So, well,
Boy.
I won't be mad if she swoops the luck, because remember what happened last time, guys. Well, these are our last 3 packs, so
All right.
I'm going to scoop little guy here.
Blastoise. Hey Gordon. Blastoise says hello.
Blastoise93 says hello. How's it going, buddy? Jeff the Ref. Hey, Gordon.
He's almost in that terrible 2 stages, guys. 19 months, and
Yep.
we're beating it. He's got it. Oh, he's found a snack. Okay.
Yes, he found my food. Can't have too much of that. We can't have you having a sugar rush before bed, bud.
with that electric energy.
Lightning.
Lightning.
Shut up, Pokey Deke.
Great ball. Sonia.
Premier Card Shop, right? Whiteback, we got something good coming out. Rotom Bike.
Inkay. Weedle. And a Galarian Linoon. Right. Carvanana. Swablu. And reverse Trubbish.
Love it, Trubbish.
And what we got here? Oh, and a Hollow Marine.
Marnie.
Marnie.
Hollow.
Marnie. I can't. Marlene.
Marnie.
Marnie.
That's all right.
We are tired parents today, guys.
Like I said, we're all a little under the weather here at the Pokemon Card Squad. It's that time of year. Right, Blastoise, all white backs in the CP. And I love that Vivid Voltage. It doesn't matter if you got a white back or not. You can still pull that amazing rare.
Oh, almost did that wrong.
As long as you're not flipping
Right.
the rare, that's all good. We got a Psychic Energy.
The Lipard. Baby.
Hey, baby.
Pierce. Carvanana.
Alright, guys, rain in the luck.
Martian.
Let's go, Eileen.
Woo! Thank you. Rockruff. Weedle. Swablu again. We got that Kakuna reverse hollow. Oh, and a hollow Scraffy. Alright, guys. Got that last pack magic. Come on.
Alright, now this is the real last pack magic, right?
Real last pack. Okay, I don't know. Brendan, he got some good pulls there.
I am happy with that Celebi and that Lucario. And that Steelix. Actually, you know what's funny? I didn't know that Steelix was even in this set until Trainer Trey pulled it the other day on his channel. I was completely oblivious to that fact. LPM. Last pack magic, guys. Thank you, everybody, for throwing up that firewall for Eileen.
Thank you.
Jeff the Ref, Blasters 93. Let's go. Let's get it.
Electric energy. Milo.
Charbaka.
Bye-bye. Kokuna. Carvanana again. Potion. Vulpix. Machop. Potion reverse hollow. And a holographic Professor's Research.
We pull
You know what, guys?
those so many times, but you know what? It's all right because we get to showcase our cards here, especially that Celebi. So happy with that. Centering on it's nice. Doesn't look like there's any whitening on the corners and stuff, but we'll be able to take a really fine-tooth comb look at it later on. Plus, I'm really happy with these pulls too. Steelix V coming out of that double pack banger there. The Lucario V, just actually a great looking card. If you actually really look at the coloration behind Lucario there, it's quite beautiful.
Alright, guys. Well, that was really fun.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun. I hope that you guys had a lot of fun joining us today. Pass Gordon back over here. He's eating all of my brownie. This is not a good thing right before bed. But thank you guys for joining us again. And we're going to say good night to Gordon over here.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. Hopefully you guys all have a great night. Stay Poke positive.
Bye.
And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Once again, here's a Celebi.
Mwah.